Oh, that's your splitter. Hi guys, welcome back to Accelerate. I'm Drew.
And I'm Kenny, and today we're with Liam's beautiful Audi A5.
We're going to do a full review. We're going to take a look at the mod list. We're going to go for a drive, get some sound clips.
This thing sounds insane.
Yeah. Known Liam for many years. We actually went to school together. He's a massive petrol head, much like me and Kenny. So tell us about the car.
It's a 2012 Audi A5. It's the 3-litre TDi, and it's got the 7-speed auto box.
What power are they standard?
I believe about 236 brake and 370 foot-pounds of torque.
Nice. Any idea how much they weigh?
About 1,600 kilograms, I think.
Which is not bad considering it is Quattro.
Yes,
Quattro
as well.
Big coupe, so that's not too bad. How long have you had the car?
About 2 years now, I think.
2 years. And both completely standard, obviously.
Oh yeah, I'm not keeping it stock.
No. So that's
not my style.
So you've had some, in my book, some real petrol head cars. I mean, you had the RX-7, you had an RX-8, R33 Skyline, just to name a few. So what made you go diesel?
Tuning capabilities mainly, you know, and it's just something different. You know, I've had so many petrol cars, and I just want to try a diesel with it, like you said, the tuning capabilities.
Yeah, because obviously, for comparison, I used to have a Mark 1 Clio, which was a 1.9 diesel non-turbo, and even back then, they were never designed to be performance. Diesel were usually reserved for vans, trucks, tractors even.
Yep.
But these days, like I said, this would keep up with its petrol equivalent, I have no doubt. So let's run through the modifications, performance-wise.
So we got the 034 Motorsport. We've got a 034.
Let's try this again.
So we've got a. Yeah, you made me laugh then.
So let's run through the modifications, performance-wise.
Why?
It's not even funny.
So we have a 034 Motorsport air filter that actually came from Kenny's Audi TTi.
Right, yeah.
The DPF has been removed. We got a custom exhaust on it from the turbo back, and that was done by Pro Speed Exhausts.
Isn't it a straight pipe?
Yeah.
All the way through, so it's straight pipe, no boxes.
It's a little loud. The map was done by Jorvik Tuning, and he also mapped the gearbox at the same time.
Suspension setup, because believe it or not, you are static.
Yep. I've gone with the Stance Plus coilovers. I just wanted something that would get me low, not break the bank, and be somewhat comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable, yeah. Wheels and tyres.
We are currently sitting on RS6 style wheels.
Yeah, I'm not usually one for OEM Plus, but I have to admit on this, the black against the diamond cut against the black body it looks really good, really complements the rest of the car.
At the moment there's budget tyres on there, but I do have 4 Michelin sitting in the garage that will be going on.
Yeah, because they came as a package, but at the
Yeah.
time didn't have the tyres that you wanted, so we have got some good tyres to go on. Just
Temporary.
haven't had a chance.
We've only just recently fitted the wheels actually.
Do you want to run us through the exterior cosmetic mods?
Yeah, so we got the KSB front splitter, complemented by the KSB side skirt extensions. We got the RS5 front grille, and we also got the carbon fiber mirror caps and the carbon fiber rear lip spoiler.
Yep.
Oh, and also the rear Riga diffuser.
Yep. For anyone who's considering a rear diffuser, Liam started off with a generic eBay fiberglass one that he had nothing but problems with. Fitment was absolutely shocking, to the point where he threw it in the bin, well, stood on it and then threw it in the bin. It was that bad.
Miles off.
So decided to go for the genuine Riga one, and fitment was spot on. It went straight on, so much easier to work with. So we would highly recommend going for the Riga one.
Yes.
I think that about covers it. So let's go for a drive.
Let's go.
Yeah. All this technology, I'm not used to it.
This is the first time I've ever been a passenger in my own car.
Thank you. I'm privileged.
Oh no, you've driven it once before.
Yeah. Yeah, see, it does.
Smooth on the gear changes.
Let's go. Wow.
Goes well.
First impressions, as I said, these coilovers, although they're not your ultimate premium brand, and you've got it decked, I'm quite impressed with the quality, like the comfort. It's
really not that bad, is it?
It's really comfortable. So considering how low it is, and I thought I'd be nervous with bumps and stuff, but it's actually, they just give you confidence.
Like, I've driven a lot harder cars than this on coilovers, much harder.
There we are, we've got a straight piped car. We're doing 60 mile an hour, no drone, so you can hear the exhaust, but it's not droning.
That 7-speed really helps with drone.
Yeah.
I think if it was a 6-speed, you'd just be in that rev
That's
range
a
where
very good
it
point,
would
actually,
drone.
How do I put it into sport mode? How do I do that?
You just hit it back once.
What the hell is that?
Cardboard!
Whoa, that was a good time to test the handling. It's
responsive as well.
Well, yeah. Let's test out these paddle shifters then. There's technology.
Technology, my friend. You know, it comes a long way.
Oh, the downshift. The sound just makes the experience. And wait for it. What
Downshift. There's nothing more satisfying than doing a downshift with paddles, is it?
No.
That's why I had to have the extensions.
Yeah, definitely.
Just to really feel it happening.
Yeah. Fucking indicate, you end.
Cut!
And go!
Whoa! It launches well, doesn't it?
It does. It's just pulls. Can't have a go with those paddles again, to be honest.
Class, innit? You're getting used to all that technology now,
Yes.
aren't you? Yes.
Wow. I didn't even put in sport there, either. Wow.
No.
No, it was in manual.
It's that initial torque as soon as you set off. It really grabs you.
It's that.
Symphony.
Yeah. If this is diesel, then, well, bring it on.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, thank you very much for trusting me and letting me go with that. Wow.
How was it?
Such a fun, honestly guys, the best way to describe it, the way I see it, is such a well-rounded car, all-rounder. I mean, you've got the comforts, you've got the economy, but when you need to, it's got more power than I thought. The torque is there, and that sound, I know I keep saying it, but the sound just makes the experience.
Yeah, it does. It really
So,
does.
massive thank you to Liam once again. Well, this just took a turn for the worst.
What have I got myself in? Oh my god.
Right, is it okay for now? Oh, stop. That's your splitter.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Next up, we've got some pretty interesting cars.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Let's go home!